Hi, this is Chris with Dreamwave Digital Marketing, and I wanted to show you guys a new tool that we just started putting together and are working on implementing. It is our chatbot tool for qualifying roofing leads. Really neat tool that we just started developing, and we're actually pretty much finished with it. We're actually going to do some testing, I wanted to talk to you a little bit about how it works. One of the great things that this will do is it will qualify all of your roofing leads for you, set the appointments, schedule appointments, and automatically post everything to a Google Sheet. So you literally only have to just check out the Google Sheet. You don't even have to look at the messenger information and cipher through it, because I know sometimes chatbots can be nice, but if you've got to actually look through all that information, it can be a little bit of a daunting task. So one of the neat things that we've done with this chatbot is set it up for commercial and residential roofing. So it goes and qualifies whether they need an inspection, a repair estimate, or an install estimate, or if they have some other information that they need an inspection for. They can provide that through the chatbot, and it will automatically set all that information up for them. The scheduling part of it is set up through any sort of scheduling website that you have. Now you can do that through, so I know a lot of contractors are using the Facebook appointment setting, which you can set that up and just you link it right to your Facebook page to set up the appointment. Or you can set it up to do something through we typically use Calendly to set up all of our scheduling, but a really neat tool. So let's go ahead and show you how this tool works. This will be able to install directly on your Facebook business page or your website, and it uses the platform ManyChat. And ManyChat is a chatbot service that you can create all your chatbot flows through. And so we've done all that for you. All you would literally have to do is sign up for ManyChat. You can go to manychat.com. It's like $10 a month. And then you would just install this flow and it would set up all the menus, set up all the flows so that it automatically will install everything. So let's show you how this works. Okay, so this would be the initial message that the prospective client would get. So let's say they need an inspection. So we're going to click that. And the cool thing about this is it's going to act like it's actually talking. So it's going to feel like the client is actually speaking to someone, which is really nice. It gives it that little personal touch. And that's really what people are looking for. Okay, so it's going to ask them what type of roof do they need inspected? Would they need a residential roof inspected? And then what it's going to do is it's going to ask them, okay, what type of damage do they have? Is it storm, wind, leaking roof? They just purchased a home, they want to get it inspected. Is it a regular inspection, or is it something else other than what we've got selected? So let's go ahead and say that they just had a big hailstorm in the area and they've got storm damage. So now what it's going to do is it's going to say, okay, great. Now we see that you have storm damage. Tell us a little bit more about what type of damage you see. Because obviously you're going to want to be able to qualify that lead by knowing, okay, hey, they had hail in the area, they had a tree knocked down. We don't know what it is. So let's just say, for instance, that the prospective client had a hailstorm and now my roof is damaged. Okay. So now they've got a comment there, so it tells them a little bit more. And the next thing it's going to do is it's going to ask them, okay, do they want the contractor to contact them, or do they want to schedule an appointment? And so let's say this person already knows they're going to have somebody come out, and so they want to schedule that appointment. So if we click schedule appointment, we can see now it's going to say, okay, hey, give us your street address. So let's just say it's 123 Test Street. And it's going to ask them next for what city they're in. And let's just say they're in Birmingham. And the next thing it's going to ask them is their zip code. So, okay, now it's going to ask them for their phone number, and it's going to come up automatically with a default phone number that's based on their Facebook profile. So they can either click this or enter in a good phone number. And then the next thing it's going to do is it's going to ask them for their email address and automatically populate that information. So now here's the cool part, is they can schedule it now. And like I said, we set this up through Calendly. So if they were to click this, they would go direct to their Calendly link, and they can select a date and time and confirm that time and enter in all their information one more time. And then it schedules the event automatically, which would then go to your Google Calendar. But you can also set this up so that it goes direct to the Facebook page. All the instructions on how to install everything come with the template when you actually download everything, when we give everything to you. So you wouldn't be left in the dark on how to set everything up. So now we can see, if we go over here, this is the really cool part, is that it sets it up automatically for the Google Sheet here. So we can see that this person, our name is here, the street address, city, zip code, email, all the information that we went through when we qualified and went through the chatbot process is all here, that they've scheduled an appointment for residential inspection, they've got storm damage, and here's the comments. They've got hailstorm, and my roof is damaged from the original comment. So this is really neat and a really great tool to help you automatically set those appointments, because I know you guys are busy and I know you have a lot on your hands and you can't be there to answer every single question. So this helps your prospective clients automatically set everything up so you can qualify them and know exactly what you're getting into when you contact that lead for the first time. So that gives you an idea of how this flow is built. We're really excited to be able to release this to the roofing contracting community. In order for me to release this, what I'd like to do is test this with a few different contractors, and we'd like to actually test it for free with you before we start charging it, just to make sure everything has worked and all the bugs are worked out of it, and give you an opportunity to set it up. So if this is something that you're interested in, please send me a DM or comment below in the comments and let me know that you're interested. And we'll work together to get everything set up for you. We'll get you the link so you can install it on your website or on your Facebook page and see how everything works, and hopefully start getting some information in to say it works. So that's our new tool that we're working on, and we're getting ready to release. We're excited to release it. And if you have any questions or comments, please put them in the comments below. Otherwise, I hope you guys have a great day. Thank you.